Okay, so we had to open it a little bit. It took us a minute there, but we're not going to pull out yet until we actually open the PC. So now we're going to pull this around, and here we go with the PC. There's the dog, being nosy. Which I'm going to tell him to go because I don't want to hear on my PC. Go, 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 out, out, out. Alright, so anyways, this is the back of the PC. And as you see, all I have to do is remove one screw. And the cover. Boom, there you go. Now, this is where the hardware is. Noticing how clean it is in there. No dust. Okay. Now, we're going to have to over. So we flipped it over so we can see the inside. This is the big hogger right here. This is my graphics card, alright, there. The big hogger. I'm deciding probably not to take it out. I mean, although it's a big bulky thing, I like it. I know, I'm weird that way. So, what we're looking at now is my sound card, which is a Creative Sound Blaster. I can't give you the brand right now because I can't really think of it. But anyways, first thing we got to do is open up our Black & Decker. Alright, so we can open our Black & Decker here. That's open. Okay, so now we got our tools. Now we're going to need a Phillips for this one. Okay, there's a Phillips. You might ask, why am I doing this? I have no idea why I'm screwing this part when I'm installing a hard drive over there. Alright, so this is the hard drive enclosure. Now, we're going to run into a slight problem here because apparently I have a second drive there already. Now, we're going to cut this part.